Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. My name is Naturally a deep condition. I'm using avocado. This avocado I'm holding right here, I've used this avocado before, so this is the remaining one. I'm going to use it to do this DIY deep condition. Okay, our main ingredient is flaxseed and cloves. All right, I already did a video using this flaxseed. I did the flaxseed and clove gel. I don't know if you guys have seen it yet. If you've not, it's going to be down in the description box. Please guys, go check it out. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so you'll be first to get notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to blend it. I'm going to add water, and I'm also going to add our avocado. All right, I'm going to add everything together and I'll blend them to a paste. Then this is me blending it here, and this is what the paste will look like, because I don't want it to be too watery, and this is what the paste look like. Then I'm going to put this in my wig cap. If you don't have wig cap, you can use anything you have to strain, to separate the shaft from the water. Okay, so I'm going to, and please be careful when doing this so you don't mess up your whole environment. So this is the shaft, and we don't need this again because we've collected all the nutrients from it. All right guys, so we're going to throw this away, and this is what our deep condition looks like. It looks very thick, which is going to be good for my hair. I have more than this, but I just want to show you guys what this looks like. Okay, so I will add some oils to this. I'm going to add tea tree oil and peppermint oil. Okay, I'm just going to add like five drops of this. All right, then I'm also going to add olive oil and another oil of mine that I have. So I'm just going to add it into this mixture. Okay guys, you can use any oil you have. You can use coconut oil, you can use grapeseed oil, you can use any almond oil, any oil you have guys. You can use any oil for this recipe. Okay, so I want to deep condition my hair to make my hair pop back, like coily, that kind of coily look. Okay, this is what I am doing. And flaxseed is good for your hair. It promotes hair growth, it cleans your scalp, which also cloves too also promotes hair growth, and it also clears dandruff from your hair. So all these ingredients I'm using are all natural, which are good for our hair growth and our scalp. So guys, after this I will show you guys how I'm going to be applying this on my hair. All right, so guys, this is what we are working with right now. My hair, after my wash day, I did a black soap, DIY black soap shampoo, which really helped to clear my scalp. My scalp felt so clean. Don't mind the way I pat my hair. Okay, so I'm just taking it in section. All right, and I'll finger detangle my hair as I go along. I'll just be finger detangling my hair. All right, so this is what I'm doing. I'll do this all over my hair, and guys, as I was doing this on my hair felt so soft. My coils was just popping. It's this deep condition is really good. You guys need to try this out. Like seriously, I'm so amazed by this, because when I washed this out, my hair felt so soft, felt so detangled. I'm using my white comb here to detangle my hair. I first of all go from the ends to my root. Okay, you go from your ends first to your roots. After detangling, I'm gonna twist them and set them aside. So I'm done twisting almost all my hair. So I'm just showing you guys a bit closer how it looks like. As you can see from the hair, you can see some coils, right? So I'm just like removing the knots from my hair. First the hair, definitely your hair will be naughty. So guys, this is what I'm gonna be doing all over my hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share. So I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys. So guys, can you see the coil? Like I just put this on my hair and my hair just answered to it. Like it's coily. Yeah. This is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the finished look of this after I've washed this out from my hair, because I'm going to leave it for like 30 minutes or an hour, and I'm going to rinse it out and apply my oils and cream, and that's it. So guys, tip, I never knew my hair would be like this. Like my hair is coily. As I'm applying it, it's coily. Like it has coils. Like the thing defined my coils, and it also gave me volume. My hair feels full, like really full. So let me wash this out, then we will know. Like see how my hair is. Let me turn my back. The back of my hair, guys. If you can see coils at the back of my hair, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to wear a plastic cap. And I will wait for maybe an hour. I'll just leave it for an hour. Then I'll rinse it out. Then I'll come back to you guys so you guys can see it. Guys, after I finish detangling my hair, this is the hair fall I had. These are not like, as you can see. So guys, it's me trying to rinse out the deep conditioner from my hair after an hour, and my hair felt super soft. It was so easy to comb out, like comb could pass through it so easily. Yes guys, I advise you to give this a try. This is really good for your hair, to help your hair to grow and make your hair feel so soft. And also it defined my coils, so I could not imagine that my coils will be defined like this. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye guys.